Hey, I'm here right now in a basement that was all taped with fiberglass mesh tape. I tell you, I've said it many times, if it goes from wall to wall or floor to ceiling, use paper tape. It's probably gonna crack, and it did everywhere. You see this angle? I got that tape because it was taped with fiberglass mesh tape. That was taped with fiberglass mesh tape. These seams, let's see, this seam here was all cracked. This seam, that whole seam there, was all cracked. Let's see, can you see this seam right here? That was all cracked. I would not have had to retape those if those were taped in paper tape. There's just no way I would have had to have retaped those. But it's the fiberglass mesh tape that cracked on me. So this is what it looks like. Is that coming through? I don't know if that's coming through, but there is a crack. There's literally a crack. Focus. It starts right there and goes all the way down. All the way down. So I know what they did. They stood up the drywall. They just stood up all of this drywall and that cracked. Let's see, 4 foot over. So there's a really good chance that they did it just the way they're supposed to. These actually could have been, I don't know. I'd say I don't know how they hung it in the first place. Yeah, that's what I deal with. So guess what? Keep using fiberglass mesh tape. It keeps me busy. So you guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.